Hi guys and welcome back. So today we'll be making a red velvet cheesecake. Let's begin. So today's video was requested by Amna. Thank you for your request. If you have your own, please leave them in the comments down below. To start, you'll want to put your biscuits into a food processor or a food bag and crush them down until they are a fine crumb. You'll then want to add in the melted butter and mix the two together until they are well combined. You will then want to get your tin, and if you want to you can always line it, but that is completely optional. You'll then want to move the biscuit base from the food processor or bag into the base of your tin, putting as much of that mixture into the tin as possible. You'll then want to compress the biscuit base. You can always use a spatula, but I found using the back of a cup measurement also works really well. Into a small bowl, add in your cocoa powder, your red food paste and vanilla, and mix the three ingredients together until a thick paste has formed. To start the cheesecake filling, into your bowl of choice you will want to add in all of your soft cheese, along with all of the icing sugar. I will leave all the weights and measurements of every ingredient you need down below. You will then want to add the cocoa powder mixture into there and mix that over a medium to high speed until everything is incorporated and well combined. Once everything is combined, you'll then want to scrape down the side of your bowl to incorporate any bits that have worked their way up the sides of the bowl and at the bottom of the bowl that may not have been fully incorporated. Into the same bowl, you'll want to add all of your double cream and mix that over a medium-high speed until the mixture has become a lot thicker. This doesn't take very long, so be careful not to overmix. So you'll want to get the biscuit base that you made earlier on, and then you'll want to put the cheesecake mixture on top of this, getting as much of the mixture into your tin as possible. This recipe is suited for a 6-inch tin. I will leave all the weights and measurements in the description down below. So once it's been in the fridge, I left mine overnight. You'll want to remove it from the tin. Be careful when you remove it, not like me, I've got cheesecake mixture all over my hands. And that's it for the cheesecake. You could leave it at this, as the cheesecake actually does taste like a red velvet. You've got the chocolate, you've got the vanilla, it's all there. But yeah, I decided to pipe some whipped cream on top just for decoration, but again, it's completely optional and you can do whatever you like. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back next week with another video, so join me then. Check me out on my social medias. I will leave all that information in the description down below. I do post on Instagram stories when I'm baking, so you'll be able to get a sneak peek into either next week's or a couple of weeks into the future's videos, so join me there. Bye guys.